Hey cherries, it's Jessica here from A Cherry on Top, and today I am making a process video of a layout I made using the Becky Flex Sketch 185. We have a new sketch challenge every week in our project gallery, and everyone who participates gets 100 cherry points, and one winner receives 1,000. It's a really fun challenge, so if you haven't already, you should check it out. For this layout, I was inspired by color pour painting. You can use color pour paint to pour directly onto wax paper, and when it dries, you just peel it off and it leaves you with this really cool skin that you can glue onto anything. I made this skin by first doing a regular paint pour onto a canvas that you saw earlier, and then the leftover drips I caught onto the wax paper, so I saved that and make the skin out of it. I will link a blog post in the comments about how you can do this. On this layout, I used the paint skin as one of the patterned papers on the sketch. I'm using Heidi Swap's new Art Walk collection. I thought it went really well with the painting, and I am also using the coordinating stickers because they're so much fun and they match the style of the layout that I'm going for. I'm starting by laying out where I want my papers to go. I love the torn paper look, so I added that in, and then I just glue my papers into place. Next, I line up where I want my color pour skin to go, and I mark it on both ends where I want it cut. Now, I've never tried cutting a color pour skin in a paper trimmer, but I figured I'd try it out because it seems like the easiest way. And it actually did do a really clean cut, so I'm happy about that. And now I'll just use some craft glue to glue it in place. The paint skin will stick to itself, so for the smaller areas I had to kind of open them back up if I squished them together. Now I'm planning where I want my photos to be placed. I decided to give them a little bit of a slant, but they are in about the same place as they are on the sketch. How I see the sketch challenges is that they are just inspiration, and you can really mix it up and change it from what the sketch actually looks like. So it doesn't have to end up looking exactly like the sketch. Now it's sticker time. I'm pretty indecisive with my sticker use, so I don't press them down until I'm really sure that I'm happy with the placement. They end up moving them all over the page usually. Next, I'm grabbing this green paper from the Art Walk collection, and I thought it would match really good with the green in my painting, but then decided that the black would really bring out the photo better, so I decided to go with some black cardstock to back this photo. Next I'm just grabbing another piece from my skin and I'm going to cut into it and use it kind of as an embellishment for my page. And then I'll add some more stickers to it. Like this sticker I'm adding where the ticket arrow is on the sketch. And then I'll also add a title and a subtitle with the Heidi Swap stickers. So this is a tray that I used to color pour on, so these are the few of the leftover drips that I had. So as you can see, I can peel them off, and then I can use these also as embellishments. It is easier to peel off if you do it on wax paper. I had to reposition this Explore title so many times. I kept trying to squish it closer and closer together, but in the end, I'm happy with it. Next, I'm adding in some Crystal Nouveau drops, and these make nice little dots around the page. And then I'll add in some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide ink, and that makes a little bit more splotchy. Next, I'm grabbing a black pen to outline my photo just to make it stand out a little bit more. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you join in on our Becky Fleck challenges. You can buy all of the products I used to make this at acherryontop.com.